Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to have a look at the long-awaited Slaves to Darkness Daemon Prince for Warhammer Age of Sigmar. But the fun part is this model can also be used in, yeah, you guessed it, 40k. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. And I know many of you players and modelers and all of you out there have been waiting for this guy to be available. It is finally available outside of the Slaves of Darkness army set. And yeah, fantastic looking model. It's got many options. We've had a look at this from the big box, and yeah, so let's have a look at the back just so we can kind of see what we're in for. And of course, yes, we can do him in his 40k Daemon Prince form, as well as the Age of Sigmar Slaves of Darkness form as well. And I really love that he has the different head options as well. Wow, this model, really exciting. I'm sure plenty of people are going to be putting this model together and putting lots and lots of love and attention into the details. As, man, like there's so many different ways you can go about putting this model together. And I look forward to seeing what everybody else does out there. And yeah, it just looks fantastic. All right, trusty rusty blade. Well, it's trusty, it's not rusty. Dive into the cellophane. Plastic wrap, cellophane, whatever you call it. I've always kind of called it cellophane. I don't know about you. Maybe that's just a Canadian thing. All right, let's open up the box and have a look inside. It's a one of the taller Games Workshop boxes. It's got the tray inside of it. And of course, the first thing we are greeted with is the instruction booklet. Nice hefty booklet. And of course, it gives us the options for doing up the Daemon Prince in various ways. Oh, we can do them in different poses. Oh, look at that. Do them in different stances. That's pretty darn cool. Can do them in his 40k form or his Age of Sigmar form. I dig it. I like it. So here, the first beginning part is for the Age of Sigmar, Slaves of Darkness, sword and axe, as well as different hand options. And of course, we also know that he has the wings, as well as the different head options. Oh, he's even got different back spiky things. Oh, you can do the different back spikes. Oh, instead of wings, you can do back spikes. Interesting. The 40k version, you can do his backpack things or the wings. Wow, lots of options. 40k just has all the options, I guess. I actually kind of like the armor of the Daemon Prince for 40k with the wings. It actually looks really darn cool. And of course, you got the various heads, all the gods, as well as the standard for Age of Sigmar, as well as the 40k version. I'm a big fan of the Khorne and the Nurgle head. He's got the sword, claws, and axe. And yeah, very exciting. So let's have a look at the frames themselves. So it looks like it's just 2 frames. This is the first frame. It's got a lot of details, lots of little skulls on chains. Oh yeah, fantastic looking little details. I could not tell you which parts go to where. This looks like it also has a lot of the head options as well. Yep. That looks like power armor to me. Yes, very cool. And it's also got another big frame that also has the big base for attaching them, and one big frame, which essentially can be broken in half, I suppose. But yeah, the other big frame with all the other bits. Fantastic. Love all the details. Love all the options. Man. Pretty darn exciting. I'm in awe, really. Because like, of all these parts, like it does not really tell you like that looking at it, you're going to get the body. Like all the body parts are on this frame, and there's all these other secondary bits all over the place. Like it doesn't look like it's a complete model here. This looks all like accessories to a Daemon Prince. This doesn't look like the frame with his legs, his feet, and you know what I mean? Like where's the base? Where's the base rocks? I don't see the base, like the rocks for the base. Do you see them? I don't see them. Maybe I'm cracking up. Oh yeah, there's the rocks. Anyway, that is the Daemon Prince for both Slaves of Darkness and Warhammer 40,000. Again, big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Really, really awesome. I think I'm going to have to put this together. But what should I do, Age of Sigmar? 40K? I don't know. Options. I kind of like the idea of the 40K version with the wings. Or just the back spikes. I'm actually kind of partial to that as opposed to like, you know, the back, like the Space Marine-y kind of backpack. Big thank you to my patrons. Without their continued support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. There are various tiers of support, and a huge thank you to all my patrons for the continued support, as well as all you brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review, or painting tutorial. Fresh tips, just a tip. Who knows? Maybe a painting live stream. Way the brush live stream. Maybe, if you play cards right, battle report. All right, see you in the next one.